Here we go again. Today we're in West Babylon, New York, Long Island. Customer just called. He wants to change the both doors. This is the old doors. This is how it's look from the outside. And we're gonna come and change them. We're gonna take it apart, take everything out, and we're gonna put the new ones. Is a low headroom door. Here we are in West Babylon. We just finished installing the two doors. As you see, here's the two doors. No problem, no issues whatsoever. Garage door, Pro, Long Island. 917-436-0006.